So here I say the browser.get command, and we could open the site now. We can also see the browser.close here. That's something which is built in. You can see there dot close. You can just use it like this. So this is something like to provide. Before that, I would also like to add the time now. So how to add that? There's a time method is there. That is you can use a time.sleep command somewhere in this case. So maybe I can show you can use a model like time, and in case you want to wait for a few seconds there, that way you can add it, and then you can come back to this. So here that's something another component, that is our model. You can say import time, and you can say time.sleep for let's say for 1 second or 2 seconds, and then you can run this script once again. Now I already removed the help part, and so let us see how does it work now, and we are going to share the screen one more times. So let us see how does it work. So I have to share this screen one more times, new share. So the site is opening. So in this case, it has already opened in the Firefox, and the site is there in the Firefox here. It has opened the Firefox. So yeah, and then but in this here, what is going to happen? Let's say, because you can see there are lots of Firefox already open, and but here what is going to happen here? It is like it is allowing to close also after 2 seconds. Now whichever the browser it started running and all, after 2 seconds of time it is going to close. So because we put the time component here, we say time dot sleep and say that okay, after 2 seconds it should close. So we have to check it like which one is going to close now, because I have already run this several times. So I have a few more Chrome already open. So but let me tell you now, this time after 2 seconds it is going to close, whichever is the active one. I may require to close some of the Firefox here, because it should not happen. Like I have several Firefox right now, so I'm just going to close some of them to avoid the next okay, and then maybe we can one more times run it. Okay, so here one thing is very straightforward, that let me do here, that how does it work. The very simple one, I hope. Okay, again I have to share the screen now. So the point was here to close it, okay, close the browser. So but this is done by the simple command browser.close here now, right? And now what else you can do is, you have several command to do, like okay, you want to assert something here, like in this case the title one, we have to check the title. Oh, okay, browser.title first, before we go ahead and check it, what is the browser title. So that also you can do it by even just putting the browser. Okay, I will just put this out because this is not needed. Browser dot, what is the component? So I want to print it and see, okay, I will run this also. So this is already a component available, and you want to print it, you can print it here before you assert and check what is the title is all about. Okay, so now I would like to save this program now. Let me save this program so that you understand how does it work it then, how you can run it from outside also. So write file, and then this is our the first program, that is to check the Selenium. This is for what? GKTCS .py. Okay, so this is just the name. You can write whatever the name you want. Now I'm just saving this so that I can use it, selenium_gktc.com, and I'm going to run it from, you can run it from anywhere. Insert, cell below, and then I'll be running from here now this time. Okay, Selenium GKTCS, because I have several names written, so Selenium. Okay, so let me type it only because it's coming GKT. Okay, so I'm just running this and see how does it work now. Let us test it. Okay, I had to go there and switch back to the new share here. It is the Firefox which is getting open. But this time you will be able to see like the output also, because this time what I did is like I opened the site and also wanted to check the output. So at least I have the idea, okay, that whatever I'm doing is, and whether I'm getting the output or not. If I can see it, yes. Now you can see the title here. This is the output. Now maybe you must have not observed the what happened in the back end because that was not needed. What is actually you can observe is like the driver could find out the title of the website here. You can change the website, and then because now this I already opened several times, you can open the maybe the yahoo.com. That's fine, because maybe you can try this out and see how does it work now. So now again I'm running this program. Okay, overriding and running this program now, and this time let us see how does it work. Again switching to the new share here. Now this time because there's a Yahoo site, so I will be able to check it which one. Okay, so what happened here now, let me tell you, it has opened and closed also, so there is a need of delay, otherwise but then the result will be available to you. Okay, so I had to put the delay now. I had to put delay, but what you can see the result is after running this selenium underscore gkdcs.py, I can see the title is Yahoo India. Yahoo is in the beginning available, and this is what way I can get the various component. So here now if I want to let's say assert, that's a command which is a separate command, whether it is available or not. Yes, you can check it whether it is available or not. This time I'm going to add one more thing, that is whether this Yahoo, which you can see already that there's a Yahoo already. So this is in is like in is going to check it in the browser or title whether there is a Yahoo available or not. If it is a gktcs.com and in that my title name is GKTCS, so it is going to check whether GKTCS is available or not. So this can be checked by a simple assert command. And what is going to happen if it is there? Let's say if it is there, what is going to happen? That also we are going to check the element, then we are going to do the next part. Okay, that's a separate. So first we'll just have the assertion here now. So this is one way to check whether there's a Yahoo title or not. Now I'm going to run this. I already override this now, going to run it and see the output also. Okay, so now running this again one more times, going to switch to the new browser here, but oh, I did not add the time delay, because to switching from here is like if I had to show it the output, I had to add the time delay then. So that's a challenge now. So I had to without that I will not able to show the output here. But then you could see like if it has run successfully, it means there is a title. But if it is not, let's say there is no Yahoo title available. Okay, so let me add the time component here now so that I can show the, so time component will help me to check it. Okay, so before I close it, I would like to add the time dot sleep now. I could have other thing come because here I did not add any dependency or waiting time, nothing. So time dot sleep for maybe 5 seconds so that we can observe it. So here it is just going to test it. There's nothing we're doing. We are just testing whether there's a component Yahoo. So if it is not there, it is going to say false. So would you like to check the false also? Okay, before we, so let us try something like a let us say the component like lowercase Yahoo, whether it is going to work or not. Now we saw the uppercase Yahoo. Now we are trying, let's say we type lowercase Yahoo now. Let us test it, okay? So that we are clear whether it is testing correctly or not. Let us test it now, because it has to match exactly. And this time I'm going to resume, share the screen, whichever is going to come, because here it takes time to switch the screen. So, but then sharing this screen will require to have the new screen, and that is this time you can see the Yahoo site is open, and now because we added the time delay, that allows you to see that okay, the site is open Yahoo here, and now here you're asserting whether there's a Yahoo, but then I use lowercase Yahoo, remember now. So it is going to check whether the title, this Yahoo lowercase, is available or not. If not, then what happened? Let us check it. So meanwhile, I'm going to check that also. Yes. So I will now share the new screen here again to tell you like what happened in the backend. So here you can see there is an error. And what is that error? Assertion error. Very straightforward, very simple, and the assertion error says, and it's an exception, right? It says that no, this lowercase Yahoo is not available now. So now you can change it and see again, and now here you will see okay, there is a uppercase Yahoo, and modify it, and once it is done successfully, again now again sharing the screen. So new share will because now it is going to open it with a delay, so no problem. So every time I'm opening the browser, and but then this time what I did is I'm able to run on next browser, and after 5 seconds it's automatically, previous browser already got closed now. Now this 5 seconds is going to wait it, that's why I'm able to show it to you. Okay, so this is open, and now what is happening again I'm coming back to my code and seeing okay what happened here, and you can see that this time there is no assertion error. So this is the way also you can test your each and every component, and this was very simple component to understand. Now what else you can do it? So obviously it is more about exploring, the portal and various component here. Now more you explore, more you understand. Now so here what we did, we check the Yahoo title, and now we will try to find out the element. How do we find out the element? By various components. So we are going to check the various way to find the element. For the Google there is a different element name, for Yahoo we have different element name. So why not to test it? You can check any website now. So but from where this component, and from where I can come to know that whether in the browser there's an element called name P or not. So from where the P element has come now. So let me show you, before even I execute it, I need to test it whether the search element, like if I'm searching the element like by P, what is that element? It is the search box. So first I need to check the search box. So what is the element name also I have to check it, because maybe that element name got modified. So before we go ahead and check it, so okay, so let me again go back to the Yahoo here and check it whether there is a the search box, and that search box name is P or not. So here I'm going to share the new screen to you and show you like whether there is a element search box, this one, and here how to check it. There is a inspect element here. You have right click. Most of you guys from the testing they know like there's a browser. If you click, there's a browser and there's an inspect element. Now if you see the inspect element in this case, and what you can do is you can select the selector here, this one, pick element, and check the component. What is that component? Search box component. Now when you see the component here, you can see something interesting start. I'm looking for this component now. Okay, I selected this component here and looking for this component. And what is the name here? What are the details? I have to check it. What is the name here? What is the name of this component? If I can find out, then only I can use it. I should know. So there are various things here you can see in the, when you have the component name, you have various things available. And here you can find out the details about it. What are the element now? What this element includes? Look at this element like that. One by one you have to look at it. So this will allow you to see the various component. So what is the name here? You can see there is a lowercase letter p is there. Name p is there. I hope you can observe this element name is p here. So there is one of the things which I am observing here. The element name is p here. I hope this is visible to all of you now. Now let us. So it means this Yahoo search box is having the element name p. So I can search it by name p now. So let us go back again, and now here I'm coming back to my script again. So it means the Yahoo is having the element name p. So I could get the element object.